Ma'am, meron po kayong bisita.
Sino?
Andun po.
Via, welcome back. Kamusta ka?
Well, let me see. Nakulong ako for murder, assaulted in my cell, and was almost murdered myself. Ano sa tingin mo?
I am so sorry you went through that.
Really? Kasi hindi mo man lang ako pinuntahan, kinamusta. Di ba magkaibigan tayo? Pero iniwan mo ako sa ere.
Via, mahirap malink sa taong nakakulong. Let alone a murder suspect.
Yeah. Tatandaan ko yan kapag ikaw na sa posisyon ko.
Oh, come on. This is nothing personal. It's business. And speaking of business, kailan ka babalik sa Pacifica?
What do you mean?
Well, you are the rightful CEO of Pacifica. Or are you gonna let Trina take your place?
Kailangan ko patunayan muna sa board na inosente ako bago ako makabalik ng Pacifica.
And going back will be the best way to do that. Wala ka namang tinatago, di ba?
Wala. But you know, it doesn't matter because for sure yung board, wala nang tiwala sa akin.
Then, make them trust you. Alam mo, mas lalo silang mag-a-assume na guilty ka kapag hindi mo binalikan ang posisyon. At kung sino man ang bintang sa'yo, eto ang gusto nilang mangyari. Tumiklop at magtago ka.
I've been meaning to ask you this, Victor. Bakit mo ba ako tinutulungan?
Because I need something from you, Via. And as long as that remains true, you can always count on me. I have to go. Trust me on this one.